You guys, I want to open this so badly. Ooh, I bumped into my painting. Sorry. I want to open this so badly and I can't. I have to wait. And I'm going to give you like a little sneak peek of what it is and where it's going to go on the reboot. But I have to wait. I have to wait because Littell Sales is coming to help me put this on right, because as you know, sometimes I get stuff wrong and I really, really want to get this right the first time. So here's your sneak peek. You ready? Ta-da! Okay, that's all I'm going to tell you. I'm going to hide the rest of it. But soon. I'm going to do a quick rundown again of what we're looking at. So this is getting changed up for something that's going to be so cool. Did a ton of research. I like how they build the stack packs. I like their attention to detail. So excited. I wanted to say thank you very much to Littell and Aylesworth Sailmakers for working with me. I'm just thrilled. I can't wait to see what it looks like. I know it's going to be amazing. Just can't wait.